What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to go over how to use trade alerts. First, you're going to log into your Tradera back office, click the menu button, and select where it says Trade Alerts. Here is where you'll find the data that you need. The most recent trade alerts will be on top of the page. Here's all the data you'll need to enter a trade alert. The first thing you'll see is the currency pair that you are trading. Afterwards is the position, whether we are buying or selling. The next is the result. If it says in progress, there's still time for us to enter the trade. If it says win or loss, the trade has already been completed. Afterwards is the stop loss. The stop loss is our defense mechanism to control our potential losses. Afterwards is our take profit. There are 3 of them. This is so we can take profit without having to stare at the chart all day. Before we enter any trade, it's important to check the notes. The notes will display the entry price. We want to enter as close to the initial entry price as we can. If price is very far from the initial entry price, it's not a good time to enter the trade. Next, let's open up MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how to enter in this trade. Once you've opened MetaTrader 4, the first thing you're going to want to do is press the Quotes tab on the bottom left-hand side. Afterwards, if you don't see the currency pair listed, press the plus button on the upper right-hand corner. Every broker uses different directory names. Go ahead and search each directory until you find the currency pair that you are seeking. Once you have found the currency pair, go ahead and press the green plus button to add that currency pair to your list. Once you've added the currency pair to your list, go ahead and tap on it. This menu will pop up, and now you will press Trade. Next, you'll want to enter in your lot size. If you're unsure what lot size to use, we recommend starting with 0.01. Afterwards, enter in the stop loss exactly as it's shown on the trade alert. Afterwards, you'll want to enter in the take profit. You can enter in take profit 1, 2, or 3. Keep in mind take profit 1 is more likely to be hit than take profit 3. Next, select the position type. This position is a sell. Usually, you will wait for the trade to either hit its stop loss or its take profit. However, if you do not wish to stay in this trade, or you did not mean to enter this trade, go ahead and tap on the trade icon. This menu will pop up. You'll want to hit Close. Once you hit Close, now you'll hit Close with profit or Close with loss. And just like that, you have exited the trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll reply to you at my soonest convenience.